Hello, my name is Robert Malissa, and I am proud to present The Big Prediction Writer. I run the Great Philadelphia Comedy Magic Walking Tour. I wanted to create an interactive prediction with the audience that looked like real mentalism. And this is it. I simply asked 4 people for a number from 0 to 9. Each number is written down on my dry erase board in the sequence I receive it. The prediction is in a manila envelope in view the entire time. There are no stooges, no electronics, no forces. The dry erase marker can be any color, and the prediction is in big black crayon. I lift up the prediction envelope as I turn the whiteboard around, verify that the numbers I wrote down are the numbers given to me by the audience. I take a dramatic pause and then pull out a single piece of paper. And written in black crayon in big numbers is the exact match. This is a versatile system for creating a large prediction that can be seen at the back of the room in an envelope that matches anything a spectator answers to your question. The Big Prediction Writer comes with everything you need to get started. The dry erase board, 2 dry erase markers, 2 gimmicks ready to go, each good for about 40 performances, the manila envelope specially prepared, 20 6-inch by 4-inch index cards. You consume one with each performance, even the spring clip. I have 2 worker routines I explained, but the number of ideas are only limited by your imagination. My name is Robert Malissa, and I hope you enjoy The Big Prediction Writer.